Hey everyone, in this video we're going to put the window component into our floor plan here, our classroom layout for room 330, and after that, that's basically concluding these videos. We're going to have one more video at the end that shows you how to turn it in. Now, with that being said, here's what we need to do. So we already have made our window openings in the last video. What we want to do to bring them in is we want to come in and do the hamburger menu, go to import, and go to my device. We had downloaded these earlier, so we should be able to go to my device and then find them in your downloads. And what this is called is the curtain wall block, and that is our window that we downloaded from Mr. Han's 3D warehouse. Select it, open it to bring it in, import it as a component. Once we bring it in, it is the wrong way. And I showed you in the last video how to change it, meaning flip it in orientation-wise. That's not what I want to do with this one. I want to actually go in. I'm already in my move tool, and I want to hover over top. Notice that those little pluses? We want to hover over top and then click on one of those pluses and just rotate 90 degrees, all right? And then drop it. Now, mine went from a 90 to a 0 angle there, I noticed. And then the next part is we are then going to select this endpoint. We're going to hit the control key to duplicate it and then drop it. And then we're going to go ×2 or x2 like we did in the last time just to get our 3 windows. And then all we have left to do is select that with our move tool, go and match up in the same spot, and put those in the correct locations. And it's really important we select the right endpoint, otherwise it doesn't go to the correct spot. Now, the thing that we're going to notice here, if we go around on the outside, is that we have a little kick out on the one way, and that's totally fine. If you wanted it to be flipped around, we would have had that going on the opposite way. At the same time, this is going to work for my placement. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope everything's working for you. Good luck.